welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you guys are seeing this face for the very first time, then hi, my name is Shreya and I make videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle and etc. So guys, happy Ganesh Chaturthi to each and everyone seeing this video, and I'm really excited to do this makeup look. So I've created this makeup look. It's a very pretty glam makeup look keeping Ganesh Chaturthi in mind. So let's begin with today's video, but don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Now let's begin with today's video. Right now I have nothing on my face, so I will be starting off with my eye makeup first and then we'll move on to the base makeup. So first I'm going to do my eye makeup and the eyebrows and the eye portion, and then we'll move on to the base. So first I have nothing on my skin. I have just a lip balm here, and first we'll prep up the skin after the eye makeup, then we'll move on to the base. So stay tuned and watch the whole video to do the makeup tutorial. So yes, let's begin with the eye makeup. So guys, first I'm using LA Girl Pro Concealer all over my eyelid and blending it with a small sponge. It's a wet sponge so that it blends very easily. So I'm preparing my eyes for the makeup, and now I'm sticking up a sellotape on the corners of my eyes so that a perfect crease is there on my eyes. First I am taking this brown color from my LA Colors Sweet 16 palette and building up a transition shade on my crease and outer V area. So I am just blending it up. Make sure you don't take large amount of the eyeshadow. You just have to take the small amount and build your eyeshadow, build your transition shade and blend it very well. No harsh line should be there. So now I am going to take my concealer and just put it on my eyelid and blending it nicely so that the color that I am going to do on my eyelid is really nice. Now I am going to take these two shimmer shades and then pat it all over my lid and mix it, like blend it with my fingers only. So the color settles really well when we use our fingers, especially shimmers or satin shades. So I've just mixed it nicely. So now I'm taking the same brown color to just mix the shimmer shades and the transition shades, so there should be no harsh lines in between. So now I'm going to remove the sellotape and clean the rest of the area which has fallouts there. So I'm doing the same process on my second eye, and my both eyes are done. So now I'm going to make my eyebrows. So here I'm using Nykaa's Brow Chikawao pencils. First I'm going to comb my brows and then fill the gaps in between them. So now to set my eyebrows, I'm taking the concealer and just giving it a perfect shape. So I'm using the same concealer and giving it a perfect shape, and then I will be smudging it off, like I will be blending the concealer as well, so it should not be visible. First here I'm using Insight 3-in-1 primer. It's a very nice gel based primer and smooths out your skin and even blurs your pores, so it creates a very nice and smooth base for your foundation to build in up your base makeup. So now I'm using Maybelline Fit Me foundation and I am in the shade 128 Warm Nude. So I'll just take it on the back of my hands and just dot it all over my face and neck as well. So now I'm using a damp beauty blender to blend out the foundation. So I am just blending all the foundation on my face and neck really well. Make sure if you're done your eye makeup first, so not to blend the eye makeup as well. So be careful with the eye makeup and your eyebrows. So I'm blending all over my face very nicely. Don't forget to blend the makeup on your neck. It's a main essential part of your body, so it will not look good if you don't blend your makeup on your neck, only on your face and also the hairline area. So So now I'm using Lakme 925 compact to cover up all the foundation to set my base. Next, I will be using this concealer for my dark circles, smile lines and my face. So wherever the dark spots are there, so I am using this concealer to cover all of them. So now I will be blending it with a small beauty blender. It's damp. Make sure guys you always use a damp beauty blender because it makes your work easier. It makes the blending way much easier. So now I'm using Lakme's rose gold powder, that is loose powder, to set up the concealer area and bake my face. So now I'm going to do my lower lash line makeup, that is I'm just going to use a brown kajal and then smudge it off. I totally forgot about the liner and the mascara part, so I'm just using the Lakme Absolute Shine Line Liner to just draw a winged liner. So I'm using this liner to draw a perfect winged liner on both of my eyes. So now I will be using this Vega eyelash curler to curl my lashes and open them up, and this Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara to just curl my lashes and give them a perfect volume. So here I'm using Maybelline Master Contour palette for blush, contour and highlighting my face. So I'm using this pink color for the blush. This contour shade to contour my face. Taking the same brown contour shade to contour my nose as well. And this highlighter shade to highlight the high points of my face like cheekbones, nose area, brow bone as well. Finally, I'm using this Nykaa's crayon lipstick in the shade Call Me Red Darling 06 to finalize my look. It's a pretty red orangish shade. And we are done. Guys, my final look is here. I'm done with the makeup look. I'm done doing my hair as well. I have just simply tied my hair in a bun and just created a simple clip my front hairs here and a twist, 3 twists over here, and just curled a bit of my locks, and yes, that's it. So I wore a jewelry as well. This is the earring that I wore, and it is a mirror earring with also we wore a ring. So yes, I really like this. I'm really loving it how it turned out. So do give it a try and let me know in the comment section below if you like this makeup look or not, and give it a thumbs up and share this with your friends and family. And happy Ganesh Chaturthi to everyone out there, and please be safe. And yes, I'll meet you in my next video. I hope you all like this video. Then bye bye, take care, stay happy, stay safe.